Authorities in Nigeria have seized a record 1.8 tons of cocaine with an estimated street value of $278 million. The drugs were recovered from a residential estates warehouse in the city of Lagos, a spokesperson for the country's National Drug Law Enforcement Agency said. The agency added that the cocaine was destined for customers in Europe and Asia. The drug raid came after years of investigative work and at least 4 people were arrested in connection with the seizure. They are believed to be members of an international drug syndicate that was being traced by the Nigerian Drug Agency from 2018, in coordination with the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration. West Africa is a major transit center for cocaine made in Latin America and sold in Europe. In April this year, over 2 tons of cocaine was seized in Ivory Coast while 9.5 tons of cocaine was recovered in Cape Verde.